morning, kids. Today we are going to study environmental studies looking around. Our today's science topic is chapter number 19, Abdul in the garden. We had done few topics of this chapter in previous part of the video. Today we are going to continue it. Before proceeding further, let us discuss what we had done till now. I have explained you the importance of trees. Trees provide us fruits, vegetables, medicines, rubber, wood, etc. They remove carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen. They cool our houses. Not only this, they reduce soil erosion and prevents flooding. We had also discussed about parts of trees. There are many parts in trees like branches, trunk, root, leaves, crown, and many other. In this chapter, we are learning about one of its part, that is roots. We had discussed the importance of roots. Roots always gives us water and mineral as they absorb them from soil. They bind the plants and soil particles. Also, they are used to store food. Then we discussed about types of root. One of them was fibrous root. They arise from base of stem and has many thin roots. For example, grasses and cereals. Second type was tap roots. It is long single root with many branches like rose, beans and neem, etc. Third type of roots was aerial roots. Some trees have heavy branches to support them. Rope like hangings arises from bigger branches as we see in banyan tree. These are also called unusual roots. The hanging branches of banyan trees are called unusual roots as they act like pillars that supports the tree. We also read about edible roots, roots which store food in them and also we can eat them are called edible roots like carrot and radish. Then we discussed about different plants part that we eat as fruit like carrot is a root but we cook it and also eat it. Cauliflower is a flower of plant and we again cook it and eat it. Potato is a stem which we eat as vegetable. Then we had discussed about deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. Yes, you are right. At last, we discussed about law against cutting trees. I told you that if you have to cut a tree or even if you want to trim it, you need to take written permission from government. If you don't do that, then you may face consequences like 3 months imprisonment or 10,000 fine. Now, my dear kids, let us proceed to today's topic. Even awareness is created among people with the help of World Environment Day. Do you know when World Environment Day is celebrated? World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. Why? For encouraging the world and widespread the awareness and action for protection of the environment. Because we are using this environment, so it is responsibility of us to prevent our environment. Now it's time for the activity. Your activity is make a beautiful poster to create awareness among people for protection of environment. Make a poster and share it with your teacher. Last topic that we are going to discuss in this chapter is about a very interesting tree, that is desert oak. Desert oak is a tree that is found in Australia. It grows almost as tall as your classroom wall. It has very few leaves. Guess how deep its root go down? Imagine the length of about 30 such trees laid down in a line end to end, one after another. So, where do we find desert oak? Yes, in Australia. It is very long tree and have very deep roots. That is how the long roots of these trees can be. These roots go deep inside the ground till they reach water. This water is stored in tree trunk. Local people knew about this. When there was no water in the desert, the local people used to put a thin pipe into the trunk of the tree to drink this water. See how useful this tree is. We can put a thin pipe to get the water from the ground. It is very useful in desert area. Now kids, it's time to refer dictionary. Our first word is vegetable beds. The area where the vegetables are grown are called vegetable beds. The farmer has to look after the vegetable beds. Second word is climber. The plants that need support to grow are called climbers. The climber plants have weak stems. Next word is delicate. Very soft, which can be broken quickly, is called delicate. The pea plant has a delicate stem. Next word is roots. Part of a plant that grows under the soil is called roots. The roots supply water to all the parts of the plant. Next word is wondered. Wishing to know something is called wondered. When I was younger, I wondered how plants grew. Next word is suddenly. That means immediately. Suddenly the teacher entered the classroom. Next word is despite. It means even after. Despite of working hard, I did not get good marks. Next word is firm. Fixed on its place is called firm. Even after so much fights, the boys remain firm. Next word is absorb. It means to soak. Roots absorb the water from the soil. Next word is uprooted. Taken out with the roots. The farmer uprooted the crops. Next word is pillars. Strong support. The roots are like pillars of the plants. Next word is unusual roots. Roots that grow from the trees and reach the ground. Banyan trees have unusual roots. Next word is lamp post. Light on the high pole. There is a lamp post in my street. Next word is permission. Being allowed. We should take permission before leaving the class. Last word is grip. It means to hold. We should make a tight grip while riding in the bus. So kids, I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you.